So hello friends, this is Rahul Patil here, your health coach for My Genetic Nutrition. I'm back again with the Making of Health show of My Genetic Nutrition, and today we have another success story of Kick Diabetes program, which is a reverse diabetes program. And I'm very happy to get in front of you my school friend Milind Puwalekar. Hi Milind.
Hi, how are you?
Good, excellent. How are you doing, Milind?
Fantastic.
So
Fantastic.
finally today we have Milind on the show, and this is going to be a very special show because Milind's story is something which is very inspiring and very motivating. So all the viewers who are watching this show would be very happy to learn all the things that Milind has gone through. You would be able to recognize quite a few similarities and understand how this journey can be started of reversing diabetes by simple changes of diet, of what you eat. So going back to Milind, hey,
Yeah,
I'm so glad that you're here today, and I'm sure all the viewers who are watching us today are really excited and eager to know your journey about reverse diabetes. So when was exactly that you were detected with diabetes?
this was way back in April 2017. April 2017 to be precise, where it was detected about the diabetes.
Okay. And what were the signs or the symptoms that you experienced that time, which made you feel, okay, fine, I need to go to the doctor?
Yeah, I mean, before I visited doctor, maybe in a week, maybe 1 week prior, I was getting too much of dizziness, then shivering, then there was itching over the body, and I used to feel very tired also in my office and during the day also. That forced me to go to my family doctor and show it to him. Initially, in general, I can say general check also, he didn't found much. But then later he asked me about my age, and then he asked me whether is there a heredity of diabetes in your family. I said yes. So did he ask me whether I have done my sugar test or not? I said I haven't done till now. And there was the what's the instructions or suggestion by doctor to go and do a blood check, and it was detected with diabetes. So that was April 2017 to be precise.
So it's like 3 or 4 years that you're experiencing diabetes, and you've been taking
Yes,
medications.
3 years we can say.
3 years. So viewers,
Yeah,
this is a very interesting story right now we are witnessing. Milind and me, we are schoolmates, and we know each other since many years. Milind also
yeah,
has been consulting me for his back pain for a few years back, and recently he came to me for his diabetes. Milind,
yeah.
do you recollect that? Why did you think of me when you thought of reversing diabetes? What was that made you think of me?
Basically, as I remember, Rahul, we have been talking from quite long time, maybe maybe a year or so. Though my diabetes were detected in 2017, but roughly say from a year back or so, we were discussing about my diabetes and what you have, which you can provide to me. But until say last December or so, I was not that keen because your method of treating was really unusual also. But yes, roughly again, I'll say somewhere in December end or so, we had a long discussion, couple of times. And that has was trying that has changed my mind to go from allopathy to our diet plan. So that's how we said I said ki, chalo,
Fair
let's
enough. I
let's
mean,
try this.
as Manish, another fellow who's on the journey of reversing diabetes, as he says, be brave and be bold in whatever you do in life. So I
Yeah,
think Milind
right,
took that decision of being bold and brave before approaching
correct,
me, and he before starting the diet program that he was so dreadful about starting with me. So viewers, before we
right.
move on this interesting and very what do you say? inspiring journey of Milind, I would like to share few disclaimers and share some information about Kick Diabetes and MyGenetic Nutrition. So Milind, I'm going to take 5 minutes away from you and just introduce the Kick Diabetes program, MyGenetic Nutrition, and also talk about a disclaimer to the viewers. So just excuse me for 2 minutes. So the disclaimer is this program is no way a medical advice. This is a platform for sharing success stories in reversing various health conditions through food and nutrition. Please take proper medical advice before following anything from this chat or talk show. The host or the participants are no way responsible for your own personal decision towards your health. So if you're on any medications and you want to start your journey of reverse diabetes, and if you're listening or watching this show, I would advise do not take any decisions on your own and stop your medications. All the participants of Kick Diabetes program go through a thorough investigations, and only after assessing their lab test, they are advised whether to continue taking medications or not take medications. So I would advise you, if you want to start your journey of reverse diabetes, and if you are interested in our Kick Diabetes program, do get in touch with us and we will ensure that you are safe in your journey of reverse diabetes. Otherwise, always consult your physician or your doctor before changing your medication or stopping your medication. This is my program, Kick Diabetes program of MyGenetic Nutrition. It's a reverse diabetes program based on functional medicine, which basically we assure you 100% results. It's an evidence-based approach, so we take a lot of lab tests, we do a lot of assessments, and we ensure that it is completely evidence-based. What you can do today is you can always approach us. You can email us on mygeneticnutrition@gmail.com and get your risk assessment done today. That's completely free of cost. Well, this is me, Rahul Patil, your functional medicine coach. This is our mission. Our mission is to spread one message, and that is type 2 diabetes is completely reversible. It's a food-based disorder, so only food can change and reverse your diabetes. In India, we have a billion possibilities, and we believe that we can touch these billion lives and spread this one message, that is type 2 diabetes is reversible. This is Milind Kuvalikar, my friend. This is before the Kick Diabetes program, and on the right-hand side, Milind is after experiencing the Kick Diabetes program. So I'm going back to Milind and going to ask him about his experience about diabetes, what he was experiencing before when he was taking medications, what symptoms he was experiencing even after taking the medications, and what changed after he changed the eating pattern when he came onto the Kick Diabetes program. Yeah, Milind.
Yeah, hi. Well, as I said before, starting with the allopathy medicines, I was getting too much of dizziness, then there was weakness, then tiredness was there was the rashes over the body. All these things used to happen very frequently, and which has again forced me to go to the doctor. Then we tested, and he asked me to do following blood test, sugar test, and it was revealed that I was a diabetic patient with very high readings. Some medicines, particular medicines were prescribed by him, which I have to use on daily basis, which I have to take on daily basis.
For the viewers. So these were the 3 medications what Milind was prescribed. One was Asteros, that was the lipid-lowering medication for statins. So I think, Milind, you were detected with slightly high levels of cholesterol.
Yeah. Yes. Little high level, little above the upper mark.
Right. And other 2 medications were Amanza, that's 2 mg. That's a combination of 3 medications actually. It's glimepiride, metformin, and pioglitazone. Basically, it's all to control your blood glucose. And the third was Flexita 120 mg. I think that was because of the rash that you were getting on the skin.
Rash I was having, on the skin.
So how long did you continue taking these medications?
So out of this, the Flexita was stopped after a month or so, but rest 2 medicines were still going on till I met you. And I used to have those medicine on daily basis. But sometimes there used to be a reverse effect of those medicine. Like I used to, I mean, when I tested, did my test once in between, my sugar level had gone below the minimum mark, which has again created an issue in my health. it had happened during my office hours, and there was a slight disturbance in my office because of my health. So I immediately went to doctor, showed him, told him what had happened. Even he got a little scared. How it went so down. At one point, even he was asking me, "ऐसे कैसे हो गया?" I'm like, "Sir, you are the doctor. I am not the doctor."
Do you remember
But
what you
yes,
ate on
I
that
used to take
particular day?
medicine, whatever. No, I really don't remember what I ate. But yeah, I think he asked me during that period what you ate, but I don't remember, or I must have not eaten something which will give this effect. So he immediately asked me to change the medicine. Rather, he asked me to reduce the dose. Yeah, out of 3 times a day, he asked me to make it 2 times a day. That's what roughly I remember. And another medicine was twice a day. He told me to do once a day. That was a change he asked me to do. But then again, after doing that changes, also after a period of 3 months or so, I used to get same feeling, and it was like, imbalance, health sort of, at times I used to feel better, at times I used to feel very weak. So it was sort of very erratic health issues which I was not comfortable with. And at that point of time, yes, I didn't had any options. And as I said, I changed one doctor in between, allopathy doctor which I was using till I joined you. During his treatment also, I had that experience a couple of times.
So I'm going to
So
pause
there
Milind
is
here
one more
for
reason.
I'm going to
Yeah.
pause Milind here for a minute, and I'm going to explain the viewers what exactly happens when these medications are taken high. So normally, whenever the cholesterol levels are high, doctors prescribe statin. Now the problem with statin is, along with lowering the cholesterol, it lowers all the cholesterol, and all cholesterol I mean is the good cholesterol and the bad cholesterol. In fact, the bad cholesterol, which has been blamed all these years, is not really the bad or the culprit in causing any risk to the heart. The real culprit is basically lack of fat and the presence of carbohydrates in your bloodstream. So what happens with statin is that it starts blocking the very channels from where the energy is built, and it starts blocking the mitochondrial processes, especially in the heart and the liver. And for the very reason that statins are given to reduce the risk of heart disease, that very reason is tackled in an opposite way. And in fact, you start increasing the heart disease risk by taking statins. The other effect of statin is that you also increase the risk of increasing or progressing your diabetes. So that's really weird. This medication should not be prescribed to anyone. The other medication that was prescribed to Milind was Amanza 2 mg, which is basically a combination of 3 medications. Now, this is a medication which will reduce the blood sugar. Now, all the medications given to diabetes they work in different ways to reduce the blood sugar. And often, most of the diabetics will experience hypoglycemia. Now, hypoglycemia is where your blood sugar drops down, and then you can have hypoglycemia symptoms like dizziness, or you can collapse, or you can also you can start feeling weak or irritable, etc., etc., etc. And the only thing that you need to do that time is have something that enters your bloodstream very fast, either plain sugar or glucose or something sweet, and raise your blood sugar levels again to feel normal. And this is where diabetics really feel confused, because the very medications what they are taking to control their blood sugar also put them at the risk of hypoglycemia. And it is not just with Milind, it happens with many diabetics. So coming back to Milind over here. So Milind, can you tell us something about how your energy levels were before starting the Kick Diabetes program, and now that since you've been doing this program for about 4 months, what has changed?
Right. As I told you earlier, with the earlier food habit and the medicine, of course, my weight was also more than what it should be, and that was affecting to my fitness, which was which was eventually, making me lazy. And there used to be, always used to feel sleepy sort of, during the office hours also. And by the time it is 6 or 7 in the evening, I used to get so tired that there was really no energy to do any physical work. and my job is such that I have to be always on my toes, you can say. So after 6 o'clock, it used to be very difficult to manage the work, because of tiredness and all. And finally, it used to affect my performance also. But after starting this kick diabetes therapy, yes, I have lost weight, but not much. It is in 4 to 5 kgs, which was
You've
required.
lost 5 kgs.
Around 5 kg I've lost, and that's what the additional weight which was there on me, which was putting me
So very interesting.
back.
Let's show the viewers where exactly have you lost weight. Have lost weight. Now this is Milind on the left hand side in the white shirt. You can see there's a little small paunch coming out over here, and on the right hand
Correct.
side you can see the stomach is flat, so it is vanished. So I think all that 5 kg that you have lost is probably in the center of your body. And in
Correct.
fact,
Correct.
even the face, if we see earlier, it was little more circular. Your cheeks were
Yeah.
quite out, and now you can see it's kind of more straight, and the cheeks have gone inside. So
Correct. Correct.
I'm guessing that it's all that you have lost, that 5 kgs, is basically fat, and that's what has made you actually look different. You're looking very different, and I think probably 10 years younger also.
Right. So yeah, that's the one as far as appearance is concerned. But if you go on to the feeling or the fitness part, yes, I have become comparatively very active. I can feel that difference, and the alertness which we can say remains as good as throughout the day till I hit my bed. I used to get tired, as I said, after 6 o'clock, 7 o'clock. I used to get tired. By the time I come home, my house is on the third floor. Almost on the second floor or so, I used to get tired. With having that laptop bag with me. But now I can sprint also. That much of
Oh, lovely. I'm
yeah,
happy to
that
hear
much
that.
of right, that
So
much of
basically, we can include sprinting in your exercise now.
no, 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 no. I mean, it has a separate reason why not. As I've shared with you, because of my vertigo issue, I cannot have a rigorous exercise. Normal exercise are fine. So coming back to fitness, and yes, and then after having a freshness that used to automatically used to reflect after I come home with my family, with my kids, and then there was additional energy level to spend time with them. So that's how I will say the difference what has occurred after starting the kick diabetic theory.
That's
And
really important. I mean, the energy levels,
yeah,
what you're saying, are very different from before now.
energy as well as mind, I will say, Rahul, that
Both.
has always kept keeping me very fresh.
Excellent, excellent.
and
So let's.
even just a small input, even about the sleeping pattern, or the hours of sleep. I earlier also I used to sleep hardly 5.5 to 6 hours max. Now also, of course, because of priorities and lifestyle, but now which I take 5.5 6 hours sleep is really a sound sleep, which gives me very fresh freshness in the morning, which was not there earlier. Earlier after 6 hours or so, if I get up, I was really feeling uneasy, you can say, or I used to feel like, yeah, shit, again I have to go to office and all. The whole routine starts. But now, being an very fresh freshness which I get after this keto diabetic therapy, I'm really happy to enjoy my life, I will say.
Amazing. Lot of
So
positive
that's
changes. Lot of positive
yeah,
changes. I mean, I'm
right,
so happy to just hear all the positive changes coming from you. And let's
correct.
just see how the sugar levels were before Milind started. When Milind was detected with diabetes, his sugar, his fasting was 279 and his PP was 440. And his sugar after starting the Kick Diabetes program is come down to 99 and PP is 96. So and HbA1c is 9.8, which was before the Kick Diabetes program. Now the latest one we have not been able to get
It
because of the
is
lockdown.
No, Rahul, I've done this test in this thing March end. March
March end.
end I've
Okay.
done. Yeah, I've done, and it is 7.2 now.
It's 7.2 now, so it's come down to
Yeah.
7.2.
It
Okay,
has it has come down.
and oh, that's really great. So
Yes.
from 9.8 to 7.2, that's a big drop. I'm
Yeah.
expecting even further drop with the latest readings when we'll take after the lockdown, and
Mm.
I'm really looking forward to those readings. Uh, you can see what Milind is 47, and a little introduction about Milind. Milind stays in Mumbai since birth, and he's working as a general manager in one of the automobile premium brands. As a part of his job, he has to travel 60 kilometers in a day, 30 kilometers to and fro. His job is moderately active. Uh, as we know, till now, he was detected with diabetes in 2017, and symptoms were fatigue, leg pain, skin rash, and dizziness. Symptoms while on medication, very interestingly, which a lot of diabetics do experience: dizziness, sweating. He couldn't bear hunger when he was on medications and would often lead to shivering and
Yeah.
uneasiness. He also had one or two episodes of hypoglycemia, which were quite tense for not just for him but also for his colleagues. He was prescribed Asteros 10, Amenza, and Fexita 120 when he was taking medications. But after Kick Diabetes program, he has stopped taking all the medications, and he has also dropped his sugar levels, and they are now normal. He has changed a couple of doctors till now, and Milind's journey is still going on. The success story still goes on of Milind Kuvalekar. What the viewers would really like to know is that what have you learned so far from the Kick Diabetes program's journey of changing the diet, changing the food, and experiencing so many benefits? What have you learned? That what is that one thing that you have learned so far?
Yeah, the main and the best part what I've learned is as we know, health is wealth, and if we take care of our health in a right way, it is always better. So from this kick diabetes, what I learned is right food to be taken, as a intake, right food and the right quantity, and also I will say in a right proportion. If these three things are done, and it has been taken in a given interval or the prescribed interval, the result is excellent. That's what I learned from this. And yes, also the part of this diet is the giving a gap between the two meals. This is what I have learned until now in this 4 months. And as I said, results are in front of you. My current reading, I can say, which was tested yesterday morning, it was 86,
Oh
fasting.
wow.
So yeah, so that's what I've learned, and that's what I've gained from this kick diabetic program. That's what I will say.
Amazing. And Milind, any challenges as far as following the diet is concerned? I mean, any challenges from your friends, from your family, or when you travel outside? How do you tackle these challenges? What are your strategies?
Okay, from friends and family, from the friends, not much, because I got a chance on a couple of occasions only to go out for a food with them, my office colleagues and all, and even my other friend circle. That time, yes, there was a slight challenge while ordering the foods and all, because my type of food was absolutely unusual among that bunch. But I managed to have that. I didn't break my policy
What
of
was that you
this.
ended up ordering? Do you remember?
I ordered green salad and paneer tadka. That's the only two things which I ordered, and I think yeah, I mean these are the two things which I ordered. I think both the time I ordered only that much. Second occasion, of course, there was a chance of having non-veg, so I went only on dry chicken.
Amazing.
That's
Great
only
choices, Milind.
yeah. So that was a slight challenge when we go out with our friends or family or so. As far as family is concerned, I am lucky enough that my entire family is supporting me. On the top of the list, of course, the better half. My wife, she is absolutely behind me, supporting day and night. The type of food which I required, what the type of food which I should eat, and then the quantity and way of making the food, the ingredients and other contents. She is minutely taking care of everything, and she is providing me both the times, in morning and in the evening. So in my office also, my tiffin is filled with our keto diet only. So I'm really happy that she has supported me, and even my daughter, my elder daughter, I don't know from where she already had a knowledge of this keto diet, but she was helping my wife to make all this food for me. So as far as challenge with family, no, rather I will say there was very good support from them. Let's see how far I get support from them.
Excellent. I'm
So
so happy that you have such a supportive family, and
yeah.
you have been making such healthy choices when you go out. I mean, and these small things really make a huge difference in anyone's health journey when you're especially aiming to reverse any health condition. Uh,
Yeah.
we all are part of a support group of kick diabetes and kick obesity, etc. Do
Yeah.
you have anything on your mind, on top of the mind, of how this group helps, or what have you been able to get out of this group?
Oh, this group is phenomenally active group. Almost 14, 15 hours this group is so active. Everybody keeps posting so inspirational thoughts and even their own experience, that it keeps you boosting like anything. Everybody, right up to the type of food which they make and they eat. Really a inspirational group, and the way they share and they push each other, that really helps me. I'm sure everybody must be taking a benefit of it, and marching towards our goal of maintaining the sugar level. The group, there are, I know, I mean, there are two, I'm actually less active in the group, but there are three four particular guys, those who are so much active that they keep you always sort of awake, you can say, and they give you a very good and healthy inputs in this group. So I'm really happy to be, and we honored to have the group like this.
So, what have you learned so far from your entire experience of going through this journey? I mean, the entire journey. I mean, experiencing diabetes, going through the medical prescriptions, then changing your diet, and now seeing the benefits of eating right food. What is the kind of learnings that you've had through your entire journey till now?
See, Rahul, at every stage, there was some learning, something learning part was there. I can say good, I will say bad, both together. Earlier time when I was having diabetes and having allopathy medicine, there was some sort of learning, but that was not enough. It was not good, totally good for the health. So we learned to have allopathy medicines, but I used to feel like those medicines, though it was taking care of my sugar level or diabetes, but it was affecting me somewhere else, or it was not helping me somewhere else. I will not say affecting. Like I say, my sugar level was okay, but I used to feel, dizziness, or I used to feel tired. Those things were not taken care of. While coming on to this keto, I will say both the sides are balanced, as far as sugar level is concerned or as far as fitness is concerned. Both the levels have been both the things have been balanced properly and keeping me absolutely healthy. Touchwood, till now there is no side effect as well. Once I had a type of constipation in a day, but that was for a while. But then otherwise no issues, no side effects. That is why I will say what I learn is I will talk more about this keto part. The healthy food which I take is definitely making a change in my lifestyle, my health, my body, and of course, finally, the way I live. So that is what I've learned from both the ways, from the allopathic side and from the keto diet side.
I always end up asking this one question to everyone. And this comes from my influence from this book called The One Thing. What is that one thing that made you take this step towards your health, taking control of your health? What happened?
Okay, I'll tell you, Rahul. As I said, from last 1 year, we are talking seriously on my on this keto diet program and all. But once I had been to doctor with my father. He was also a diabetic patient, and of course, I was sitting there as a spectator, doctor, and he was talking. So, in their conversation, I heard couple of lines from doctor, which he was telling my father, "Ki, uncle, you have taken very good health of your, very good taken good care of your health, in spite of having diabetes from last 40 years." So that line has actually hit my mind. If I want to have a healthy life, then yes, even I will have to take care of my body. So that's the one thing is which has actually hit my mind to go for the way of taking care of the body, of the health rather.
So I'm so glad that you took that first step and you're already on a path of health, and you already have, I would say, you already have reversed your diabetes because you've been able to maintain your sugar levels below 100, and that's a huge achievement. So, Milind, anyone wants to reverse diabetes and they decide to join Kick Diabetes, but what should be that one reason that they should join Kick Diabetes program for?
See, one main reason to join Kick Diabetes program is we come to know what right food we should eat. That is the main factor which will keep, of course, our sugar level down, and also the rest of the organs, I will say. So that is one main reason. The right food and right quantity is what is the USP of this Kick Diabetes program. So I will strongly suggest that's the for this USP. Yes, everyone should at least once try on this Kick Diabetes program.
So amazing, Milind. I mean, we are so happy that you have reversed your diabetes and you are still going strong on your journey to reverse, not just reverse diabetes that you already have achieved, but to also remain healthy. And I think you're also influencing people around you, like your family and your friends. And
Yes.
this is like a fire that you have started around you. And
Yes.
we all wish you all the best on this journey. And I'm sure that viewers till now, whatever they have heard from you, they have gained a lot of insights and they are going to start their journey on health. So thank you so much for joining us, Milind. We will meet again with Milind's episode 2 because this journey is still going on. So thank you for watching us today. Thank you so much, Milind, and see you again.
Thank you.
Bye,
Thank you so
Milind.
much. Thank you. Bye.